Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. In last video we had finished with unit 1 1.4. Today we are going to start with unit 1 only, chapter number 1.5 on textbook page number 12. The name of the lesson is a kabaddi match. Before starting this lesson, let me give you the introduction about this chapter. Now this lesson is about a kabaddi, an outdoor sport which is originated in India and now it is popular in many countries of the world. Now I will just give you the summary of this lesson. Now this lesson begins with a school sports meet through which the rules and strategies of the games are shared with the reader. The extracts also highlights the qualities displayed by winning team, that is team spirit, confidence, swiftness and suppleness. Now this lesson goes on to talk about the rules of the game and ends with the qualities essential to excel in this game. So let us start with this lesson, a kabaddi match, on page number 12. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. The practice matches had already begun. 9th B were the favorite as they had strong players in their team. Now, as you all know, in the month of December we starts with sports. So the school sports meet was scheduled. Scheduled means, what is the meaning of schedule? Schedule means arranged to happen at a particular time. The time was set, the date was declared. Okay. And sports meet, what do you mean by sports meet? An event where sports competition are held. Okay. The practice matches had already begun. As you know, when we have sports, at that time there are the practice matches, so it was already begun. And 9th B were the favorite as they had strong players in their team. From full school, the 9th B team was what? It was everyone's favorite team, because why? The players were very tough and very strong. Okay. The kabaddi trials were on. So this means what? They had started with the practice. This year there were 3 new students in class 9th A. Now this current year there were 3 new students in which class? 9th A. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding player. 9th A's hopes soared. Now these 3 players who had the 3 new students who had been in 9th A, new students, they were excellent in playing kabaddi, and therefore the 9th A students were what? Hope soared means they had more hopes for winning the game. Okay. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. Now as the sport day came, and all the spectators means the people who watch a game is known as what? Spectators. Okay. So the person who see the games. Okay. Clapped and boosted the morale of both the team. Now boosted the morale of the team, what do you mean by that? Make the team feel more confident, encourage the team. Okay. They were encouraging the team by clapping the hands. Okay. 9th A won the toss and sent their raider Govind. Now who won the toss? 9th A won the toss, and who they sent the first raider, and what was his name? Govind. Now the game was actually started. He was so swift that before the opponent realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. Now he was so swift, he was so fast that he went into the team B's ground. Okay. and he had touched whom? He has touched Suresh and was already heading home, and he again come at his side. Okay, before he was so swift before the opponent. What do you mean by opponents? Opponents means one who competes with another in a game. Okay, as you know that in kabaddi match there are 7 players and 2 teams are playing. Okay, 7 players are there and 2 teams are playing. One is on the one side and the another is on the another side. So what do you mean by opponent? Opponent means the person who are compete with another in a game. Okay, a point was scored. Now who got the point? 9th A got the point. Okay, Ravi from 9th B was very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like Caesar, that releasing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. Now as one player was out, Suresh was out from 9th B. Now it was turn of whom? 9th B side to send the raider. So who came? Ravi, and he was what? A very strong player, and he was alone sufficient to catch hold of any player. He was very strong player as he was having what? Practice, lot of practice. So he was a very strong player and he can hold anyone, okay, alone himself, and he can hold any player tightly in the between his leg, twisted like Caesar. Okay, he does not use his arms to catch the player, but he used to what? Catch the player between his legs. Okay, and how it twisted like a Caesar. Now, and releasing oneself from his grip. Now when the Ravi catches anybody in his legs, it was what? It was very difficult to got out of from the grip. It was what? Impossible. Now what do you mean by grip? Grip means tight hold. Grip means what? Tight hold. All the players were literally afraid of him. Now the players who were playing the opponent team, they were what? They were afraid of Ravi. This Ek player had won many matches for 9th B. Now Ek player means what? Very good. He was very good in that game. So he was what? He is known as Ek player. Okay, Ek player. So he, because of him, 9th B has won lot of matches. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9th B were unbeatable. Now Ravi was good player, but with him, who were the supporter? Mohan and Vinod from 9th B was unbeatable. They had never lost any match. Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. Now the student named as Mangesh from 9th A, he was also very strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Now he was a good match for Ravi means he was as strong as what? Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamed of any strong opposition from any team. Now Ravi was feeling what? Ravi was feeling relaxed. Okay, I am what? I am the best. No one can beat him. So he was, every time he was feeling what? He was feeling relaxed. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friend, everyone in the spectators thought that 9th A would lose Mangesh. Now what happened when the match was going on? Mangesh was wrestled down means by Ravi. When Ravi caught Mangesh and he was thrown down, wrestled means wrestled down, that is thrown on the ground and held down. Okay, see in this manner. For suppose this is who? This is Mangesh, and everyone has fall down on him. So everyone in the spectators, the persons who were seeing the match, they thought that 9th A would lose whom? Mangesh. But Mangesh proved his mettle. Now, but Mangesh proved his mettle. Mettle means his talent. Okay. He was on the ground with the anti-raiders catching hold of his waist and legs. Now he was what? He was on the ground. Who was on the ground? Mangesh was on the ground with the anti-raiders. Anti-raiders, what do you mean by anti-raiders? Every player in whose court or raid is being made. Okay, anti-raiders catching hold of his waist and legs. Everyone, anti-raiders were catching what? Catching his waist and leg. Slowly he inched towards his court. All the anti-raiders with all their might were trying their best to pull him back. But with the great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. There were cheers in the air. Now, as this is the what? This is the midline. Here Mangesh is lying. So he was what? He was going slowly. He inched toward his court. He was trying to go towards his court. All the anti-raiders were, all their might were trying their best to pull him back. This all anti-raiders were what? They were trying to pull him back from the midline. But with the great determination and without losing his breath. Now Mangesh, what he did? Without losing his breath and with the great determination, he touched what? He touched this middle line. Mangesh successfully touched the middle line. There were cheers in there. When Mangesh touched the middle line, all the surrounding were what? They were cheering in the air. For whom? They were cheering to the Mangesh. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team, as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. Now only Mangesh was not saved, but what? By touching this middle line, who he scored how many points? 3 points. And who were the person who were out from 9th B? Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. I hope you all have understood till here. We will continue half part of the lesson in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.